Happy birthday, Grimace!
Let's learn how to make the Grimace Shake.
You're going to need 5 ingredients: blueberries, raspberries, milk, ice cream, and whipped cream. Now that we have the ingredients, it's time to get shaken. First, you're going to need a half cup of blueberries and a half cup of raspberries. Next, we are going to need to put a half cup of milk in. And then next, we're going to need to put 3 scoops of ice cream in. And now we blend. Okay, now that's all blended, it's time to pour it. Set it down, take the top off, and here we go. This looks good. Next, we're gonna need to put some whipped cream on. I cannot see straight. And there you have it. That is the Grimace Shake. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can, hope you guys take this to use and that you like the Grimace Shake if you haven't had it. So, just want to say, happy birthday, Grimace! That's good.